Welcome to this unboxing video. This is primarily for people who have had a kit handed on to them to make sure that they've got all of the correct resources. If you're looking into ordering, there are separate videos that will walk you through that. The first thing that you want to locate is the USB. The USB has two things on it. One is the introductory video PL so that you can upskill staff each year without having to spend money. The second is the PDFs of the printable boards. Please make sure when you print these that you check your print settings and that they are at 100% or actual, not the default shrink to fit. Otherwise they'll sort of look right until you put the blocks on and then you go, oh no. Once you've located the USB files, please make sure that these are uploaded onto your school server for everyone. If you can't locate your USB, don't worry. Go to the Bomblocks website and click on the About tab, and then in the Contact section, there's a button that says USB Recovery. Click that and fill in all the information, and we will send you the contents of the USB either physically or digitally. If you have purchased the addition and subtraction kit for intervention only, in that kit you will have 4 sets of blocks because intervention is run in groups of 4 students, approximately every 15 minutes, and each student needs 1 set of blocks for intervention. You'll also have some materials packs and write and wipe sleeves for those students. If you've purchased materials for whole class teaching in the early years, year 1, year 2, and sometimes in WA year 3, you will require 1 set of blocks per pair of students. And if you've got a recently ordered set of materials packs, they will come in a hinged lid container with the spinners and counters and bead strings. Each pair needs 1 of these containers. All of the documents that you'll need can be found online. Go to the Bomblocks website and click under the addition and subtraction kit, and here you'll find in the grey boxes all of the documents you can download for planning, for assessment with the test, Excel tools and monitoring spreadsheets. Thanks for watching the unboxing video, and in quick summary, if you're using the addition and subtraction kit for intervention, you should have 4 sets of blocks and materials, and if you're using it in whole class teaching, you should have 1 set of block and materials per pair of students. Thanks.